What's up? It's a JeniusBiker back with some Harley-Davidson stuff. This time it's the Screamin Eagle Ohlins for the touring Harleys. You guys might have seen these if you watched King of the Baggers. The Harley-Davidson race team used these on their road glides. These are available now through the dealer direct. Comes with all these beautiful bracketries, all the full instructions, all the nice hardware. And look at these shocks with the remote reservoir. Oh man, these are gonna look so nice. Look at that. These are beautiful.